Welcome to 765 O'Farrell, number 3. This is a Tenderloin Downtown Civic Center Junior 1-bedroom available for lease. Number 3 is the only one with this uniquely shaped window, and it looks directly out on O'Farrell Street, which is certainly interesting. And the apartment has 2 rooms that are divided by a partial wall here with a door. This would be room number 1. You can see there's picture frame moldings, high ceilings, brand new hardwood floors in here. And now through the door, we're in room number 2. Room 2 has the heater. The size of that. There's a large walk-in closet, slightly different wood floor and a shelf. And you also get an entry hallway as part of the apartment. It has the original little phone thing, your front door, and entry into the kitchen. This kitchen is designed pretty well for this building. They've scrunched the kitchen and left you a pretty big area here you can use for an office or dining area. You have a refrigerator, a sink with a retractable faucet, a speckled granite countertop, a gas range, broiler, hood. There's cherry cabinets, and your kitchen looks out into a courtyard, so you get a nice airflow with this. Finally, there is a bathroom, and the bathroom has a tub with a shower overhead. A little granite area for your cosmetics. There's a vanity, tiled floor. If you're interested in leasing, 765 O'Farrell number 3, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.